Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, beautiful salad. It's good and healthy. Here's how. I just chopped some cabbages. That's a Savoy cabbage and the purple cabbage. Give you some flavor. Some chopped onions, some chopped red pepper, pickled grilled pepper, and some goji from our garden, frozen goji from our garden. And also I'd like to show you how to use avocados in your salad. A lot of people don't know how to use avocados. They think avocados is kind of fruit you eat like apples or pears, but actually not. They are better to be used to make a dressing or make it with a salad. So you cut your avocados open. Normally when you buy them, they are kind of hard. So you mix them with either apples or pears to speed up to get them softened. This is still a little bit hard. And then this is how you get the seed out. And then you just cut it into small pieces inside the shell. Well, at least that's how I use it every time, and we eat a lot of avocados. It's a very nice and healthy fat, and it also gives you very good texture. And you just take it out. See, nice and clean. And then do the other half. And it gives you the very nice creamy texture. You can also use avocados to make a guacamole, and use guacamole with whatever you like to serve with, normally with naan bread or tacos.
It's a good spread for sandwiches, making guacamole.
Yeah. And then your healthy salad is pretty much on the way.
And then you can make homemade dressings.
Yeah, and then I'll add my homemade almond butter salad dressing. If you want to know how to make this homemade dressing, you can refer to the video I made how to make a tahini dressing. It's the same drill, just different base. You can use almond butter, you can use peanut butter, you can use tahini, you can use all kinds of nuts, butters. They are nice and healthy, and they're cheaper than you buy the thing from the store. You don't even know what is totally in there, and you get the full nutrition from the ingredients, the fiber, the fat, everything.
I love this salad. Yum yum. Dumplings, bacon, eggs, and salad. Yum yum. What a breakfast.